welcome to Georgen Cooking. I am Georgen, your dietitian. Nowadays, we are spending more time at home together with our families and also preparing our own meal as well. So bring your kids into the kitchen over the weekend and together prepare a recipe or two. It's just a great family bonding time. So today, I'm going to share with you a blueberries inspired recipe that you can make together with your kids. And I'm sure that your kids and yourself are just going to love it. And this recipe is summer blueberries popsicles, the perfect things to have in this hot summer day. And this recipe video is sponsored by Oregon, Washington's Blueberries. Did you know that blueberries are rich in antioxidants and believed to have one of the highest antioxidant levels of all common fruits and vegetables? Blueberries are also a good source of vitamin K, which is crucial for bone health as it can improve calcium absorption and may reduce calcium loss. And without further ado, let's get started! It's done! This summer blueberries popsicles look so cute and it's the perfect things to have in this hot summer day. Let's taste! This is so tasty and refreshing. Another bite. I'm sure that your kids is going to love it, and it's a great and fun way to have your kids to eat more fruits too. So try making this popsicle recipe with your kids, have fun, and don't forget to grab a boost of blue today. Thank you so much for watching this recipe video. If you like it, please like, share, and even subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. If in the future, if there's any new video, you'll be the first one to be notified. Alright, see you at the next episode. Bye bye!